Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need the Google account that the form accepts. Open the link now, and if you see Sign in to continue, don't refresh repeatedly. Instead, click your avatar and switch to the account that matches the form's domain. Once done, clear Quick Cache by opening an incognito or private window and paste the form URL. This isolates cookies and immediately tells you whether the problem was account mismatch or local session data. Now you handle account and permission details. Choose the correct Google account from the account chooser, add it if missing. If the form is restricted to a domain, like your workplace or school, make sure you're signed into that specific domain account, not a personal one. If you hit an access block, click Request Access and send the automatic access email to the owner. Make sure to include your exact account address. This ensures the owner can grant permission without guesswork. Finish by ensuring you load the form in the session tied to the approved account. Sign out of other accounts if necessary, then sign back in only to the correct one and reload the form. If problems persist, clear cookies for docs. Google.com or test in a different browser. Sometimes stale tokens block sign-in. As one troubleshooting tip, ask the owner to temporarily set the form sharing to anyone with the link so you can submit, and they can revert settings afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.